Hello, this is Kaylee Pepperdine in K-210, and today we're going to go over the calendar, the OneDrive calendar. As you can see here, I'm already in mine. If you don't know how to get to yours from OneDrive, you go ahead and click this little guy over here, stamp calendar thing, and you might have to click all apps, and then you'll just click on calendar from this location. First, let's go ahead and go over how to add an event. So what you'll do is you go to where it says New, right here, click that drop down, and click Calendar Event. And it gives you all the prompts you need. Calendar event. Let's do test. On my Nick. Don't want that right now, so we'll do my Nick online. And you can choose the date. Let's do next week on Friday, because that's usually when most tests are. And you can either set it for a little bit before to remind you, or the exact time. Do 9 a.m. Do all day. And that's not something you really want to repeat, so you'll do never. But it gives you the option for every day, every Friday, every work day, every 22nd of every month, every 4th Friday, every March 22nd, or you can choose your own. But we're going to go ahead and stick to never. We're going to save it to our calendar, or if you had more than one calendar, you could choose someone else's. I went ahead and made a mock one named John, but we're not going to do that. You can choose an option for a reminder, 0 to 2 weeks, 0 minutes to 2 weeks, and show as. And you can choose which option you want to show as. I would probably do working elsewhere. Scroll down. You can add an email reminder and then make a note. Do test. And go ahead and continue to scroll down. Make sure we get everything and scroll back up. And click Save. So now we have an event saved in our calendar for next week to do a chaos test. Next, we're going to look at how to edit that event. Let's take a look. Click Open. And that is how you edit it. You just right click Open and it takes you back to it, so you can go in and change anything. We can change the end date to the next day. Click Save. And now let's go over how you can change the view of your calendar. Right now we have it set to monthly. You can set it to daily. So now we just see the date of March 22nd, or the work week, which shows Monday through Friday, the regular standard week, Sunday through Saturday, or a month, or just today. And if you click this little area over here, it shows you what you have scheduled for that day. Next, let's look over some settings that we have and how you can change the colors and settings of your Outlook calendar. So up here where this little gear is, you click that and it gives you options on your calendar appearance. So you can edit the days that you work as your work week. You can set your work hours. So 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. is standard. But again, you can switch that. You can change whether or not you want to see the numbers in the month. And many other options. You can also do automatic replies if you're going to be out of the office for a while. You scroll down, you can choose a theme or color arrangement for your Outlook. You can change it to anything, you just click it, and it's good. Or you can also click Save. Now, let's exit out of this. And we're going to go ahead and go over how to add another calendar. You can go ahead and click Add. It gives you different options. You can do secondary, holiday, from a file, from the internet, or from your directory. Let's go ahead and click secondary. And it will go ahead and make a calendar for our boss. So now you can add things to your boss's calendar and keep up to date on what is going on with them. You can also add calendars to your calendar. Click on Interesting Calendars. You can choose sports or TV show. You click on it, click the time zone you're in. I'm going to go ahead and click. And here it lists stations. Go ahead and click the first one. And then it gives you more options to choose from. Just click on another one. And now that is added into my calendar. So you click on it, it's color coded. Now we're going to go over on how to share your calendar. Right here at the top, you'll see where it says share. You just click on that. And you want to choose which calendar you want to share. Calendar is just yours. And here you can type in an email address. And because it is my email address, that's what it's going to go ahead and do. Click OK. So you can share your calendars that way. And to add a holiday, click Add Calendar, go down, it says Holiday Calendar. You click that, and you'll choose where you want your calendar. So we'll go ahead and scroll down to United States. And now that would be added. We can also add, let's go ahead and just pick a random one, Egypt, to your calendar. Hit save. Now any of Egypt's holiday calendared holidays will show up on your calendar. Now let's go over how to add a birthday. Click on New, Birthday Event, first name, do Gabby, last name, Pepperdine, and her birthday is March. Click on March 21st. Hey, how about that? And you can set up a reminder. Any reminder you'd like. Do 5 minutes. Or set up an email reminder. And then click Save. So every year on March 21st, Gabby's birthday will go ahead and pop up on my calendar. And that is OneDrive Calendar. Thank you so much for your time and have a great day.